Hey everybody, Mr. Hicks here, going to show you maybe a kind of a cool life skill for sending a document quickly with your camera that maybe looks a little bit more professional. If I go like this and I got my phone here, if I turn on my camera and I take a picture, it might come out fuzzy, might have a background in it, it might have my computer keyboard or some random stuff I got sitting around. Okay, but there's a way to do this that's a little bit better than just using your camera. And maybe you know how to do this already. I just learned this today. So this is how I'd like you guys to turn in assignments so I can actually read what you wrote. There's two apps. One's called Cam Scanner. The other one's called Adobe. And I would actually probably recommend the Adobe one. My phone won't work with it right now because I need to update it. I'm going to use Cam Scanner, show you how it works. If you already know how to do this, then you probably can stop watching. But Cam Scanner, the one thing I don't like about it is a Chinese app like TikTok. So I wouldn't go scanning like your driver's license on this and sending it. I wouldn't do that anyway. But you never know. I wouldn't want any kind of data to go where it's not supposed to. Okay, however, this is your Newton's Laws homework. If somebody gets a hold of that, I don't think it's going to be a big deal. Okay, it's going to ask you to like pay for stuff and try and get you to do that. You're just going to say, no way. Here's some test things I did down here. If I go in here to something I've already done, okay, you don't want to be in some assignment that you've already done because then it'll just add pictures to that. You want to be back at this home screen down here. So I'm going to do a new. Okay, and the trick is to be on batch. Okay, again, don't be sending your ID card around. Okay, single will just do one page, batch is multiple pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here, you're not going to be able to see. I'm just going to take a nice still picture. Okay, so I did it, and check it out, it already crops everything for me. So it takes out my desktop. I want to add more pictures. I have it on auto crop. I'm going to hit continue, and then I'm going to turn my homework assignment over. Okay, you guys probably wish I filled this out for you already, don't you? Okay, I'm going to go here and take a nice picture. Boom. Okay, and that's the last page of this particular assignment. So I'm going to hit continue again, and for some reason it goes back to this. I don't want to do anything else, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, back to the camera, and you can do all kinds of filters and stuff, whatever. Okay, I'm just going to click this thing. It's saving 2-page document for me. Okay. And now you can send everything in one file to your teachers. Okay, they will appreciate this. Go to share. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can share it. Okay, and then you could send it. I got that messenger app. You can email it to yourself. Okay, but what I would recommend doing is a share PDF. Okay, you don't want their watermark on there, so you can remove that, I think. Okay, whatever, go away. And then I'm just going to hit share, and it will generate a PDF, and then you can just add it to your drive and upload it to Classroom. You could Gmail it to somebody. You could put it on any of these apps. Okay, so I just copy it to your drive and then turn it in. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. Another way to do it is once you have your document in here, if you go to more, you can just, let's see, where did I see that? There's just, no, it's not there. Okay, well, I guess for sharing it, just do this share. Okay, we'll go through that one more time. Share, and then this is the key right here. Okay, you want to do a PDF share. Okay, so boom, and up there, share it. Okay, and then it will save it for you. And you can do some other some other settings and whatnot. I might want to get rid of that. It's not really letting me right now. Maybe you have to pay to get rid of that. But anyway, that will help you guys turn in nice looking stuff that your teachers can actually grade. Or if you needed to send something, you know, like maybe you could use this to send a document to somebody that you wanted to look a little bit more professional instead of just a picture. So I know I've needed to do that a lot of times for different things. So yeah, good thing for us to know. Hope you guys are doing well, and hope this video helped you out. Okay, bye.